Alright, so I figured I'd make a little picker video. I haven't made one in a while. Just kind of showing what's going on today. It's kind of a slow night. Tommy's way down there doing trash, running cardboard in the compactor. There goes Blanche, that's my manager. Dragging the shop back. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and move this chaise lounge, whatever the hell you want to call it, into this spot here. But I just wanted to show, you could see how flimsy these racks are that we're standing on, like 50, 60 feet off the ground. It's pretty crazy. See, there's my feet on this flimsy, looks like wire fence. But yeah, fun times at the art house. Let's see. There she is, in the hole where she belongs. Another job well done. High up in the air. Later, guys.